Okay, so I'm going to do order of operation using Pemdas. As you can see, I wrote Pemdas up here. It stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And remember, multiplication and division and addition, subtraction go left to right, and we'll get to that in a minute. So I have this problem, 8 times 12 plus big parentheses, 5 minus little parentheses, 32 divided by 2 to the 4th power, parentheses, big parentheses. What we need to do first is look in our order. First thing we have is parentheses. So I'm going to follow through and I see I have parentheses. I like to underline it so that I know that's what I'm going to look for. I now notice I have 2 sets of parentheses. So within those parentheses, I have a smaller set of parentheses. This is what I'm going to do first. Pemdas, you need to make sure you're following the order of operations within the parentheses. So inside the small parentheses, I notice my first thing I have is exponents. So I'll underline that. Afterwards, I'm going to rewrite everything until the step I'm going to solve. So I have 8 times 12 plus, and make sure you write it exactly like it is, parentheses, 5 minus, little parentheses, 32 divided by. Now I need to do 2 to the 4th power out. If you can do it in your head, great. If you need to do work on that, don't do it within the problem, do it on the side. So 2 to the 4th is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which we know 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So I'm going to write 16, parentheses, big parentheses, equals. Again, I'm going to use my order of operations. I still have parentheses. I underline it so I know. I look within this. Inside these parentheses, I actually have another set of parentheses. So that's what I'm going to do next. I write exactly what I have. 8 times 12 plus, still have those big parentheses, 5 minus. I'm actually going to do 32 divided by 16. And again, if you needed to do that over here, you could, but you should know your math facts. 32 divided by 16 is 2. Oops, sorry. Okay. I'll write the 2. I get to get rid of the little parentheses because I have no more operations in here. Parentheses equals. So now I'm down to this. I follow order of operations again. I still have a set of parentheses. I'm going to underline that. I rewrite everything, 8 times 12 plus. Now I'm going to get rid of those parentheses because I only have one operation in here. 5 minus 2 is 3 equals. Okay, so now I'm going to follow Pemdas again. Parentheses, have none. Exponents, I have none. Multiplication, yes, I have it, so I'm going to underline it. I'm now going to do this out. 8 times 12. I'm going to look over here to make sure I do my math, unless you know it, and 8 times 12 is actually 96. So 96 plus 3 equals. Once I'm done, I notice I only have one operation left, so you can just go ahead and solve it. 96 plus 3 is 99.